Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to go over our writing assignment for the week, and I'm going to show you how to start a Google Doc for your writing project. So your writing project this week is called Save the Turkey. What you're going to do is you're going to write from the perspective of a turkey. You're going to write a letter to somebody trying to persuade them not to eat turkey this year for Thanksgiving. So what we're going to do is we're going to press this plus sign, and this is going to open a new tab. Go all the way to the right and click on the Apps button. We're going to press More, and we're going to press Docs. Now we're going to start a new document, so we're going to press this plus sign, and it's going to give us a blank document. At the top you see Untitled Document, and I want you to name this document Thanksgiving Writing, and press enter, and this will save your document. So now we're going to start on our heading. The first thing I want on your heading is your name. Press enter. The next thing I want is my name, so we're going to put Miss Sylvester. We're going to put the subject, which is ELA, and the next we're going to put the date. After this time we press enter, we're going to go to the top right of the screen, and you see this button is the center align button, and what it does, it's going to bring your cursor to the middle of the screen. This is where we're going to put our title, and I want you to save this title as Save the Turkey with an exclamation point. After this, I want you to press enter. And we're going to go back to the top, and we're going to press left align. This is going to bring your cursor back to where you started. Press enter one more time, and we're going to start our letter how you start any letter, with Dear Mr. or Mrs. We're going to put a comma, press enter, and we're going to press the tab button, which is on the left side of your keyboard. And this is where I want you to start your letter. So you're going to tell this Mr. or Mrs. why they shouldn't eat you a Thanksgiving turkey this Thanksgiving. Once you finish your letter, we're going to go back to our classroom tab, and you're going to turn in your assignment to me.